This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix error code 1 in Minecraft Java. First, try restarting your computer and your internet router, as this simple step can often clear up many temporary glitches. A stable internet connection ensures the launcher can properly download and verify game files. Also, confirm your operating system has all the latest updates installed, as this provides a more stable environment for your game to run, potentially resolving compatibility issues right away. Next, verify your Java installation, as Minecraft Java Edition relies on the correct version. You must have the 64-bit version of Java installed. A 32-bit version will not work properly. Check your system's installed programs and, if necessary, download the latest compatible Java version directly from the official website. Uninstall any older or conflicting Java installations to prevent the game from trying to use an incorrect one. Error code 1 can often stem from Minecraft not having enough allocated random access memory, or RAM. You can easily adjust this setting within the Minecraft launcher under the Installations tab. Edit your profile, then open the More Options section to find the Java Virtual Machine arguments. Change the XMX value to reflect your desired RAM allocation. For instance, 4G for 4 GB. Most users find 2 GB to 4 GB to be a good range. Corrupt game files are another frequent culprit behind error code 1, preventing Minecraft from starting correctly. If previous steps haven't worked, consider performing a fresh installation of the game client. First, locate your Minecraft folder, which usually resides in your app data roaming directory. Delete this folder entirely, then reinstall Minecraft from scratch. Remember to back up your precious world saves to a separate location before proceeding with this step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.